My friends, here you have ASH Lynx.
In this video I will reproduce his color, haircut and style.
Roll the tape!
Hey, let's not cry during the whole video, okay? To cut the perimeter, section around the face, front and sides about 2 inches in width. Using the freeform technique with the razor and without projecting, I will cut the line on both sides, leaving the front tip a little bit longer for balance. That's why you see me over projecting the front tip a little bit back. Shape the back of the nail, razoring a horizontal line from side to side, giving it a smooth finish at the ends. To connect the front section to the back, I will use a slide razor technique. This will create a slightly more rounded ends on the back. The fringe area will benefit from using this individualized technique. Take strands one by one and cut it at the desired length. If you are interested in doing this look, as always at the end of this video, I will share what face types will do well with this style. To recreate the movement and texture of the inside of this haircut, determine the weight area and the shortest layer in the back. I will join it with the length of the perimeter. This will create a high graduation with a lot of movement in the layers in the back. Don't miss next week the cut and color or Lloyd from the Spy family. A great pitsy texture short haircut for men. Visítame y sígueme en Instagram para obtener VIP información de lo que voy a hacer la próxima semana. After cutting the upper graduation, continue the same line technique at the bottom to line up the perimeter. If you like more videos like this in YouTube, help this video by subscribing to the channel, giving it a like, and click the bell so you can get notifications in the future. Thank you to all of you for your support. We are on our way to the 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. To bleach the hair, I am using a 40 volume with a liner. These mannequin heads are dyed and are very resistant. It took 2 applications of 40 minutes each to reach out the blonde banana color. I don't know why, but this banana blonde tone suits him very well. What do you think? This style will look good on all type of face shapes. If your face is a bit wide, leave the sides on the back a little bit longer, about 2 fingers longer. I will detail and refine the haircut on dry using the French cutting technique, cutting a 90 degrees angle perpendicular to the head and following the shape of the haircut. Repeat this technique around the entire inside of the haircut. Share with your friends the shorts on Instagram and TikTok. It's the best way to help this channel grow. I would really appreciate that. I am a professional and I can smooth the hair without any problem with the brush and the iron. But check out what happened to the hair because I didn't use any hair products. With the electricity and the static, my hair was flying. To solve the problem, I use 1821 oil to control the hair. This oil composition helps to manage and recondition the hair after extreme decolorations. If you are very static or frizzy hair, I recommend that you use the oil to calm it down. To style and position the hair when I want it to be ready for the final picture, I will use hairspray for 1821. It's easy to comb and reuse, in this case to recreate the low ponytail he normally wears. First, we will comb the hair into a small ponytail in the back of the neck, and I will hold it with a band. Leave a few strands out to make the style look a little looser, and use a little bit more hairspray to hold it in place. This week the winning suggestion is Goho from Jujutsu Kaisen.
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.